Welcome back! Our cat can now dance. Let's see if we can add some of our own custom music and get a second sprite to do a little bit of a dance as well. So the first thing we're going to do here, let's go add a new sprite. Go down in here. I don't even know which one I want to add. Maybe let's try the ballerina. That might be a good choice. Let's just go with it. Ballerina. We're going to put the ballerina in here. Move her over here just a little bit. What I want her to do, I do not want the ballerina to start until the cat is done. So I need to go back into my cat code, and I probably need to go into control. Nope, it's in events. Into events, and I need to broadcast a message to, I'm going to make it a new message. We're going to say start dancer 2. Now I need to go into the ballerina and I need the when I receive start dancer 2, then that means the ballerina is going to start dancing. The first thing I want to do for the ballerina is I want to make her sort of shimmy, twist back and forth over here, and then I want her to come over here and twist back and forth over there. So we're going to see if we can do that. Let's first start by going into motion. And let's turn 15 degrees. Then let's go back into sound. Let's pause, rest for a quarter beat. Go back to motion. Let's turn 15 degrees back. Go to sound. Let's rest for 0.25 beats. Let's do that whole section over again. Let's just keep pulling this stuff in. Gotta make sure I get the right directions here. And after we do that, a little shimmy, then we need to motion to go to move left. So move, we're going to say negative 25 steps. Then we're going to want to do this whole sequence over again. So let's try this again. We're going to turn this way. Actually, we're going to rest. We're going to rest. Then we're going to turn that direction. Then we're going to rest again. A little bit tedious here. There. A little bit more rest. Now we got to do one more little shimmy shake. Hold that in. Pull in another rest. I think we need one more of these. And now we rest. And now we need to move back 25 steps, so that we're back where we started. So let's see what happens when we click on this. Our little dancer moves back. I think instead of 25 steps, let's move her negative 50 steps. And then we'll move it back 50 steps. We'll start her right over here. And now let's click and see what happens. She dances a little bit, dances. That's kind of what I wanted. I also wanted to put that inside a control loop so that we could do this whole thing 10 times. And also when I receive start dancer, I need to start some new music. So I'm going to add another when I receive start dancer. I am going to add some sound in here. Not my own custom sound. I'm going to play a sound that is from the library. So let's go look in our library. What do we have for sounds? I am not sure exactly what ballerinas dance to. So let's try, what is garden sound? That totally sounds like what a ballerina would dance to. I have to surround it with a forever loop to continue playing that garden music until our ballerina dancer is done. Then the very last part of our program, I wanted us to add some custom sound so we can say something. You can add some music if you're musically talented. I'm just going to add a little phrase at the end that says that was dance off. So here's an example of how you add a custom sound to your Scratch game. You go into sounds, and in new sounds you can choose one from the library. You can hit this record button to record a new sound. We are going to record a new sound. It brings us up to a screen that looks like this. Sometimes when you're in here and you hit the record button, it will pop up another little box that says allow Scratch to use the microphone, something along those lines. You can just click OK or click yes, and then hit this button, and this is how easy it is to record something. You hit this button. Actually, that's the wrong button. This is the play button. You hit this round circle dot. That's the record button. So when I click on that, it'll let me start recording. And here's this little message. Click allow for Flash Player settings. Now it is recording. I'm going to stop that one. I didn't really like that one, so I'm just going to highlight this whole thing and hit delete. Actually, I go into edit and I cut that. I hit delete. I'm even going to delete that part. Now let's make a new recording. I'm going to hit this, and when I hit it, I'm going to say something. That was dance off. Thanks for watching. Now I have a recording in there. Now let's hit the play button. That was dance off. Thanks for watching. And one of the nice little features here is I can do some customization of this. I don't need all this extra no talking at the end, so I'm just going to delete that. And at the beginning, I can cut off some of that and hit delete as well. Now when I play it, was dance off. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to go add this. It's called recording 1. I'm going to add this back into my sprite after this ballerina dances for 10 times. I am going to go into sound and say play recording 1 until done. And once that is done, I'm just going to stop the whole program and we will be done. So now that's what we have. Let's play the full program and see what dance off looks like. That was dance off. Thanks for watching. There you have it. That is a very simple example of dance off. You are welcome to play around with that. Add more sounds, add more sprites that are dancing, add crazier, funnier dancers. However you want to do that. Anyhow, have fun with that one. Thanks for watching.